Everybody, I've got a Yale door in knob cylinder. This was sent to me by Subsonic 1050 ages ago. This has come out of my naughty book. Picking it top of the keyway tensioning, for example, but because it was going like that, the wrench was putting too much pressure on it. Anyway, let's get down to business. Bottom of the keyway tension, opened it. So here we go. Wrong one, need a thicker wrench. There we go. Come on, tripod, bloody tripod. Really light tension on these. Heavy tension does that, you won't get nowhere with this lock with heavy tension. You see, I got a little slight turn on the core. Another slight turn again. There we go. Open sesame. Just took a bit longer because you're a little bit more heavy tension and that's it. You can't do nothing with it. Thank you very much.